Have you ever wondered what it would be like if robots took over some of our daily tasks? Welcome to a world where that's not just a tantalizing what if, but an unfolding reality. Today we're diving into an intriguing development that's got the tech world buzzing: Amazon's recent launch of humanoid robots. In an era where automation is becoming increasingly prevalent, Amazon has boldly stepped into the future, testing humanoid robots in their US warehouses. These robots, known as Digit, are aimed at freeing up employees to better serve customers. They're part of an ambitious initiative to automate more of Amazon's operations, a trend that's sweeping across various industries. But what does this mean for the future of work? How will this impact the role of humans in the workplace and beyond? Are we on the brink of a new robotic age, with humanoid robots becoming our colleagues or even our superiors? Join us as we delve into this fascinating development and what it means for the future of work. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of robotics and automation. Amazon is no stranger to the world of robotics. Indeed, the tech giant's foray into robotics has been a long-standing endeavor, a journey that began with the establishment of Amazon Robotics and its consumer robotics division within Lab 126. The creation of Amazon Robotics marked a significant milestone in Amazon's history. This specialized division focused on developing cutting-edge technology that could seamlessly integrate into Amazon's operations, a vision that has since come to fruition in the form of hundreds of thousands of robots working in harmony with human staff. These robots, each meticulously designed and programmed, handle monotonous and repetitive tasks, thus freeing up employees to focus on more complex and customer-centric responsibilities. The result, a more efficient and effective workforce that brings Amazon's commitment to customer service to new heights. But Amazon's innovation in robotics didn't stop there. Lab 126, Amazon's secretive consumer electronics division, has also dipped its toes into the world of robotics. This division was responsible for the development of Astro, a home robot that has been described as a blend of a mobile Alexa device and a smart home security camera. Astro, with its ability to follow users around the house and perform basic tasks, is a testament to Amazon's ambition to bring robotics into our everyday lives. Throughout this journey, Amazon's commitment to robotics has not only revolutionized its operations, but also created new job opportunities. The integration of robots into Amazon's workforce has led to the creation of new roles and responsibilities, a trend that is set to continue as the company explores more advanced robotics technology. And now, Amazon is taking another leap forward with the launch of humanoid robots. This latest development signifies Amazon's ongoing commitment to innovation and its vision of a future where technology and humans work hand in hand, shaping the world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Amazon recently made headlines with the testing of a new type of robot. And no, we're not talking about your run-of-the-mill wheeled box-moving bots. We're stepping into the realm of the humanoid, robots that resemble us, the humans. These are called Digit. A fitting name, don't you think? Now, you might be wondering, what's the purpose of these Digit robots? Well, simply put, they're designed to automate more operations in Amazon's warehouses. Picture this: a warehouse bustling with activity, boxes moving from one place to another, products being sorted and packed, all under the watchful eye of these humanoid robots. But it's not just about moving boxes. These robots are also meant to free up staff for other tasks. Essentially, they take over the more mundane, highly repetitive tasks, allowing human employees to focus on more complex operations. A rather clever division of labor, wouldn't you say? These Digits, they're not your average robots. They walk on two legs, much like us humans, and they have arms to pick up and move packages. Imagine a robot that can walk up to a package, pick it up, and move it to where it needs to go. It's almost like having another human on the team, albeit one that doesn't need coffee breaks. Currently, Amazon is testing these robots in its US warehouses, the focus of the trial to test their safety when working alongside human employees. After all, the last thing we need is a robot going rogue in a warehouse full of valuable merchandise. But jokes aside, this recent development has sparked a lot of discussion about the future of automation and work. Could we be looking at a future where humanoid robots work side by side with humans, each performing tasks best suited to their abilities? Only time will tell. The launch of Amazon's humanoid robots raises many important questions about the future. As we delve into the implications of this development, it's crucial to consider the potential benefits and drawbacks of increasing automation. The advent of humanoid robots, like Amazon's Digit, could dramatically alter the nature of work across a multitude of industries. For starters, let's consider the benefits. Robots are ideally suited for repetitive tasks. They don't tire, they don't need breaks, and they can operate around the clock. This could increase productivity and efficiency in warehouses, factories, and other industrial settings. The introduction of robots, like Digit, could also create new jobs. Amazon itself claims that its robotic systems have already created hundreds of thousands of new positions within its operations. Furthermore, robots could potentially take on dangerous or physically demanding tasks, reducing the risk of injury for human workers. In the context of an aging global population, robots could also be instrumental in providing care and assistance to the elderly, similar to what we've seen with Amazon's Astro robot. However, the rise of robots also carries potential drawbacks. The foremost concern is job displacement. While Amazon has stated that its robotic systems have created jobs, there's a valid concern that automation could lead to job losses in certain sectors, particularly for low-skilled workers. Moreover, there's the question of how these robots will interact with humans in the workplace. Will they be seen as helpful colleagues or as a threat? The answer might vary dramatically depending on one's perspective and experience. Let's also consider public reactions and expert views. On one hand, there's undeniable excitement about the technological advancements that robots represent. But on the other, there's apprehension about the societal changes they might bring about. Some experts caution that we need to think critically about how we're integrating robots into our lives and workplaces and ensure that their use is guided by ethical considerations. Additionally, as we've seen with Amazon's Astro, there's a demand for more pet-related features. This suggests that the public sees potential for robots not just in the workplace, but also in the home as companions and helpers. So where does this leave us? It's clear that the role of robots in our lives is set to increase. The challenge will be to navigate this new reality in a way that maximizes benefits, minimizes drawbacks, and respects human dignity and agency. As we move forward, it's clear that the role of robots in our lives is only set to increase. So, what does all this mean for you and me? Well, let's start by summarizing the main points we've covered in this video. Amazon, a trailblazer in the tech industry, has been steadily increasing its use of robots to streamline its operations and cut costs. The recent launch of humanoid robots, named Digit, is another step towards automation, with the goal of freeing up employees to focus on tasks that require a human touch. Yes, the robots are coming, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. As we've seen with Amazon's Astro, technology is continually evolving to make our lives easier and more convenient. From carrying our drinks to teaching social and emotional skills to children, robots are becoming more integrated into our daily lives. However, as we move towards a future where robots play an increasingly prominent role, it's crucial to stay informed and prepared. We must understand the implications of these advancements for our careers, industries, and society as a whole. So how can we stay informed? Well, one way is by subscribing to channels and publications that cover the latest tech developments. Another is by participating in forums and discussions about the future of work and automation. The key is to keep an open mind and be ready to adapt to changes. In terms of what we might expect to see in the future, we can look at the trends that are already shaping our world. From the rise of the metaverse to the advent of quantum computing and satellite connectivity, we are living in exciting times. And who knows, perhaps one day soon, we'll welcome a robot colleague into our workspace or have a robotic assistant helping us at home. As we step into a future where robots play an increasingly prominent role, it's essential to stay informed and prepared. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on the latest tech developments.